Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 1, that is evaluate. Number 1 is 3 to the power minus 2. Number 2 is minus 4 to the power minus 2. And question number 3 is 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Let us solve. Here you see. Question number 1. Question number 1 is 3 to the power minus 2. We'll apply this formula like a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We'll apply this formula. Therefore, we can say 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2. That can be written as 1 by 3 into 3. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 9. 1 by 9. And that is the answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is given as minus 4 to the power minus 2. Therefore, it can be written as we using this formula that 1 by minus 4 to the power 2. Or you can write it here as 1 by minus 4 into minus 4. Therefore, we are getting this 1 minus into minus is plus, and 4 4 is 16. This 1 by 16 is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. Here you see question number 3 is 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Again, we'll apply this formula that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. 1 by 2 to the power 5. If we are getting 1 divided by 1 by 2 to the power 5 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. If we are getting 1 divided by 1 by 2 to the 4, 48, 16, 16, 32. Or you can write it here as 1 divided by, that is 1 into 32 by 1, and that is equal to 32, and that is the answer. Right? This is the answer. Here you can repeat. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. You can find the steps again in this way. Right? Thank you everybody again.